From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to revolutionize your home decor with the most immersive lighting experience? The Leeleberd LED lights for bedroom 100-foot music is here to transform your space into a vibrant oasis. This incredible product offers a unique blend of style, technology, and functionality, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their home's ambience. With its Bluetooth connectivity, HD quality, and smart tech features, you'll be able to control the lights with ease, creating a seamless and immersive experience. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's well reviewed by those who have made the purchase. One of the standout features of the Leeleberd LED lights is its music sync mode, which allows the lights to dance to the beat in real time, creating a mesmerizing visual feast. Imagine walking into a room where the lights are pulsating to the rhythm of your favorite song. It's an exhilarating experience that will leave you wanting more. The DIY remote and app control features make it easy to customize the lighting to your mood, with 16 million colors and a variety of interesting modes to choose from. The 100-foot extra-long lighting strip provides ample coverage, making it perfect for larger areas such as bedrooms, kitchens, and ceilings. The special timer feature is also a game-changer, allowing you to set the wake-up time and end time, so the lights turn on and off automatically, putting you in a good mood every day. The easy installation process and adhesive mounting make it a breeze to set up, and the result is a stunning visual display that will leave you speechless. Whether you're looking to create a relaxing atmosphere or a vibrant party ambience, the Leeleberd LED lights for bedroom 100-foot music is the perfect solution. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, it's an investment that will take your home decor to the next level, and we highly recommend giving it a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.